Welcome to the Barbecue Walk of Flame, and to my subscribers, nice to have you back. It's springtime here in the UK, my Weber Q is out of winter storage and I'm cooking on my newest accessory for the very first time. I'm not cooking anything special, just a couple of bacon and mushroom sandwiches for myself and the boss. Well, here is my new porcelain enamel coated cast iron griddle for my Weber Q. It's been washed and is ready to go onto the barbecue. Simply remove the right hand grate and replace with the griddle. Turn both burners full on and ignite. I'm leaving it for 10 to 15 minutes to warm up. Turn down the heat and we're ready to cook. On goes the bacon. Just listen to that sizzle. I can just about get 5 rashers on here, leaving enough room for the mushrooms. These mushrooms have already been sprayed with oil. Another couple of sprays won't go amiss. Just keep them moving around. They're already starting to brown a little. Time to turn the bacon. I didn't know if it would stick, being as this is the first cook, but it's certainly not too bad. There's definitely something about the smell of bacon cooking in the open air. My mouth's watering and I can't wait to get my teeth into these sandwiches. I like my bread toasted. The boss, she doesn't. Let's put the first sandwich together. Two slices of bacon, followed by a generous helping of mushrooms. Doesn't that just look good? Now for my sandwich. The toast could do with a minute or two more, but it's my sandwich and I can't wait. Three slices of bacon. Yes, an extra one for the cook. Please don't tell the boss. Must get that last mushroom. And there's my bacon and mushroom sandwich, with just one thing missing. You can't have a sandwich like this without ketchup. Well, that was delicious. You know, when I was cooking it, the smell made me even more hungry. How can something so simple be so good? This accessory opens up a whole new way of cooking on the barbecue. And I'll be bringing you some interesting and tasty recipes, which I know you won't want to miss. So go on, click the button and the bell, subscribe to my channel, and you won't miss a thing. Well, that's all for now. So from me, the dude with the food, it's goodbye and thanks for watching.